We've all been here. Dead battery, late for work, or stranded on a road trip, and no one is around to help. This is all you need. Let me show you how it works. Welcome to the TYPE S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today I'm going to go over everything you need to know about our latest jump starter. Meet the P10 Jump Starter with Power Guide Assistance. This isn't just a jump starter, it's your emergency roadside assistant. A jump starter, a flashlight, an emergency beacon, and a power bank that keeps your mobile devices powered on the go. In the box, you'll find the P10 Jump Starter, heavy-duty smart clamps, a USB-C charging cable, and a storage bag. Using it is simple. First, plug the smart clamps into the P10's jumper port. Then, power on the jump starter by pressing the power button. Next, connect the clamps, the red cable to the positive terminal, and the black cable to the negative terminal. The Animated Power Guide Assistance System walks you through every step right on the screen. And with built-in reverse polarity protection, it's perfectly safe to use. The P10 won't let you make the wrong connection. When the connection is secure, you'll see a green light. Go ahead and start your vehicle now. You should be back on the road in no time. After you've successfully jump-started your vehicle, always disconnect the clamp safely. Remove the black cable first, and then the red cable. If you see a flashing red light or hear a beeping sound, it usually means the clamps aren't making full contact. That could be from corrosion or buildup on the battery terminals. In that case, spin the clamp slightly to scratch through to ensure a solid metal-to-metal contact. If you see a solid red light, it means your jump starter needs charging before it can be used. If the light is flashing red and green together, it means the P10's voltage is lower than your car's battery. You can still jump start your vehicle, just make sure to recharge the P10 right after. And if you see both a solid red and green light at the same time, that means the jump starter is timed out after 90 seconds. Simply reconnect the cables and start the jump process again. The P10 is more than a jump starter. It also doubles as a high-powered 65-watt USB-C charger. That means you can top up your smartphone, tablet, or even your laptop on the go. On the P10's LCD screen, you can watch your jump starter's power output. Output includes watts, amps, and volts. Most cell phones draw about 15 to 25 watts, tablets around 20 to 30, and laptops can pull anywhere from 60 to 100 watts or more. With high output USB-C power delivery, the TYPE S P10 keeps your phone, tablet, and even your laptop powered anywhere you go. The P10 LCD screen will allow you to monitor power going into your jump starter. You can monitor the watts, amps, and volts. Charge times will vary depending on your power supply. The P10 has a built-in flashlight, a must-have in any roadside emergency. With the jump starter powered on, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to activate the spotlight mode. From here, you can click the power button again to cycle through the modes. The other modes include strobe and hazard mode. And when you're done, press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn it off. The P10 LCD screen supports multiple languages. With the jump starter powered on, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to enter the language selection mode. Click the power button to cycle through the languages. Languages include English, French, and Spanish. When you see the language you want, double-click the power button. So whether it's a dead battery, a dark road, or just keeping your phone alive, the P10 is your emergency roadside assistant. And with the TYPE S Power Guide, you'll be in good hands every step of the way. If you ever have any issues, our team is here to help. Please send us a note at info@typeSauto.com or leave your questions in the comments below.